I just can't believe this shit's going on so long. What am I gonna do about this COVID-19? It's just got me fucked up. Take another sip of this cocktail, it got me fucked up. Can't believe this shit, try to deal with the cough. Can't believe this shit got me all fucked up. I don't give a fuck what the thing is going on. I just can't believe this shit got me quarantined. What the fuck is going on? Try to get away from me while I cough. I just wanna get this shit out of me. Feeling like I can't breathe, the thing is going down. Got me up in the fucking head of town. What the fuck is going on? I can't believe it down. Want my cough syrup so I can get fucked up, so I can get away from this thing now. What? Try to have some fun and be in what? Pour it in my cup so I can get fucked up. Think about the moments when I feel fucked up. Think about the thing when I hear it all slow. What the hell I think about the thing all alone? What we gonna say when I hear it so slow? Talk about the thing now, time to let it low. When I think about the moments when I get too fucked. What the hell is going on? Know what up? Think about the thing now, time to tell it up. Will I tear it up, tear it up, tear it up. Every day, motherfucker going down. Think about the moments, motherfucker going down. See it so slow, and I take it to the puff. Take it to the thing that I never had enough. So I'm spinning up, but the world going down. Now I'm vomiting and puking, getting out of town. Get away from me, I can't see me. When I see the other stars, and I feel like a G. Open up the thing, this shit should dazzle. When I hear that thing, now time to be dazzled. Find them in the mazzle. I don't think about a thing, man, another jazzle. Another job I heard out of the thing. Now I'm buzzing on my thing, no tooth made. Getting out of quarantine, feeling so great. Oh shit, forgot my cup, oh shit. Take a sip, oh shit, got it out again. Zodiac getting fucked up again, yeah.